Most people get this wrong when they search for Cash Giraffe payment proof. They see a screenshot on social media and immediately assume it's either completely real or completely fake. But here's the truth no one tells you. A screenshot alone is not enough to prove whether someone actually received a reward. In this video you'll learn how to evaluate Cash Giraffe payment proof in 2026, what genuine proof usually looks like, and the warning signs that can help you avoid misleading claims. Let's get straight to the answer. When people talk about payment proof, they're usually referring to evidence that rewards were successfully redeemed and delivered. This can include redemption confirmations, reward notifications, account history, or other records showing that the process was completed. Here's a quick win. The strongest payment proof is rarely a single screenshot. Reliable evidence often shows multiple steps of the process, from earning rewards to redemption and final delivery. For example, Alex posts an image showing a reward balance inside the app. That tells us he accumulated rewards. However, it doesn't necessarily prove that a redemption was completed. To verify a claim properly, you'd want to see additional evidence that the reward was actually delivered. But here's the problem. Many screenshots online can be cropped, edited, or taken out of context. That's why relying on one image alone can be risky. This is where most people fail. They focus on the picture instead of the process. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A better approach is to look for consistency. If multiple users independently describe similar redemption experiences over time, that often provides a clearer picture than a single viral screenshot. Here's another micro win. Pay attention to details. Does the proof show a completed redemption? Does it include confirmation information? Does the explanation match how the app currently works? These simple checks can help you evaluate claims more effectively. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to think about payment proof. Instead of asking, "Is this screenshot real?" ask, "Does this evidence show the complete reward process?" That's a much more useful question because it focuses on verification rather than assumptions. Now here's an important point. Even if a payment proof appears genuine, it should never be treated as a guarantee of future results. Reward availability, earning opportunities, and user experiences can vary depending on location, promotions, and account activity. Let's recap. A single screenshot is not enough to confirm whether Cash Giraffe payment proof is real. The most reliable evidence shows multiple stages of the reward process, includes confirmation details, and is supported by consistent user experiences. Always evaluate the full context before drawing conclusions. If this guide helped you, leave a comment sharing your experience with reward apps, hit the like button, and subscribe for more app reviews, reward platform guides, and honest tech tutorials.